Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shaukat John and today we are going to talk about 3 confusing words people make mistakes. These words are very, really and absolutely. Although these words are really simple, people make mistakes in terms of using. Okay, let's get started. Well, we have 2 types of adjectives in English. These adjectives are base adjectives and strong adjectives. What is base adjective? Base adjectives are gradable adjectives. You can show level, you can grade these adjectives. Let's say big or bigger or biggest, small, smaller or smallest. And when it comes to strong adjectives, these adjectives are already extreme, they have strong sense, they have strong meaning. So we can distinguish these 2 adjectives in English. Okay, let's talk about some rules about these 3 words. First, we will talk about very. The rule for very is very plus base adjectives. That means we can use very plus base adjectives. For example, we can say very big or very good. You see, we are using very plus base adjectives, not strong adjectives. And what about this example? Very excellent. What do you think? Can we actually say very excellent? Not of course, because very excellent. Excellent is strong adjective. That's why we do not say very excellent. We cross this example because it's totally wrong. And next rule, absolutely plus strong adjective. Meaning absolutely can be used with only strong adjectives. Let's take a look at some examples. Absolutely enormous or absolutely delicious. You see, enormous and delicious are strong version of big or tasty. You see, these enormous and delicious, these are adjectives, and mainly these are strong adjectives. That's why we can use absolutely enormous or absolutely delicious. What about absolutely good? What do you think? Can we actually use absolutely good? Not of course, because good is base adjective. This is simple, this is not strong. That's why we cannot say absolutely good. Let's continue. And we have really and base and strong adjectives. That means we can use really with both base or strong adjectives. It's possible to use with both of them. Let's have a look at some examples. We have really bad or really small. You see, we are using really with bad or small, and more importantly, bad and small are base adjectives. And last examples, really awful or really tiny. Really awful. Awful is strong adjective, and really tiny. Tiny is really tiny, strong adjective. I hope you understood the rules about very, really and absolutely. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Subscribe my channel, and if you have something to say, write down in the comment section below, so I'll get in touch with you. So take care of yourself and see you next time.